Half of SAT math is word problems, and most points lost here aren't lost in the algebra. They're lost in the translation. One sentence turned into the wrong equation. So let's turn English into math, phrase by phrase, until it's automatic. Here's a typical one. A gym charges a $30 sign-up fee plus $15 per month. After how many months does the total cost hit $180? First move, always, define the variable. Let M be the number of months. Now every phrase in that sentence maps to one piece of an equation. Find the pieces. Go phrase by phrase. $30 sign-up fee. That's a one-time amount, a constant, 30. $15 per month. The word per means multiply by the variable. 15M total cost is 180. The word is means equals. Put it together. 30 plus 15M equals 180. Now solve. Subtract 30 from both sides. 15M equals 150. Divide by 15. M equals 10. 10 months. Those phrases follow a fixed dictionary. Per, each, every, that's your rate, it multiplies the variable. A flat fee or one-time charge, that's the constant. The word is or total means equals. And watch this trap, less than flips the order. 7 less than a number is n minus 7, not 7 minus n. Learn the dictionary once, and the translation stops being guesswork. Your turn. A plumber charges $75 to show up, plus $50 per hour. The bill came to $325. How many hours? Define H as hours. 75 is the flat fee, the constant. 50 per hour is 50H, the bill is $325. So 75 plus 50H equals 325. Subtract 75. 50H equals 250. Divide. H equals 5 hours. Three ways this goes wrong. 1. Flipping less than. 5 less than x is x minus 5. Order matters. 2. Multiplying the one-time fee when a sign-up or flat charge is a constant you add, not a rate. 3. Solving for the wrong thing. The question asked for months or hours, so answer that, not just x. Define the variable first, and this trap disappears. So, define the variable, translate each phrase with the dictionary, then solve. The algebra was never the hard part. The translation was. Nail that and word problems turn into easy points. Start free and drill a set at satclimb.com. Keep climbing.